Abdul Fontina my name. Welcome to the latest edition of the Hard Talk Show Hot Seat, where they come your way from AYV TV on channel 33. Inside the hot seat today, we want to start for look at the preparedness of political leaders as we fastly they approach March 7, 2018 elections. And the person within the hot seat today, now the leader, chairman and presidential nominee for the Alliance Democratic Party, Mohamed Kamarimba. Now him we get tonight now the hot seat. We can ask our questions as to how prepared him be for the 2018 election. Hello and welcome to the hot seat, Mr. Kamarimba.
Thank you, Fonte.
Am I correct to call you Mr.? Are you a doctor?
No, I'm not a doctor, and I'm Mohamed Kamarimba Masere, presidential candidate for the Alliance Democratic Party.
So now tell me about your background educationally.
My background, I gave me master's in psychology, and I gave me undergrad in sociology, and don't work primary school. I attend Anzaru UMC Boys Nakodi Town. Secondary school, I attend Mabroka Boys School, and then Ahmadiyya, Mihopa Secondary Schools, and I go study in America, come back. So, I mean, I'll be talk one thing before you go forward. You know, what's in Ambogwin at this country, Fonti. Now, this, all man want to be doctor. Okay. All man want to be doctor, and you see people that go fake even degree and job because now we the people now we the give kind of pressure because when somebody in a doctor we say oh, vote for this man he run for president. And I want to just make something clear. America, we're one of the most advanced nations of this world. If you be a doctor PhD, they don't even vote for you. The only president we now get PhD in America, from where America become America. Now Woodrow Wilson, 1913. Now the only one. Apart of that, you count your PhD, they tell you say, go lecture, go help other picking them.
But again, you come back this pressure with the people that they put, say maybe now we need people that are educated is as a result of the fact, say the bar has been lowered in Sierra Leone. We they get all Jack and Jill coming in for positions.
No,
so the people cannot afford that anymore.
No, Fonte. If you watch them, the people who don't feel this country are doctors. Watch no more, even Dr. Chijankaba. And most of the people away, Dr. Kerifarama, ministers them, Dr. Samora Kamara, all doctors them, not the ministers there. No, that's
President Chijankaba former is a failure.
I don't go call a failure, but
well, you say the people away don't feel the country are doctors, and Chijankaba is one of them.
Part of the failed system, yes.
How would you describe the tenure of President Chijankaba as a failure?
Because about 10 or 11 years in power, he left this country kind of the same way economically. This country, now make even APC get the opportunity where they win. The country be so hard and we get poor health care. There was a time where Chijankaba been sick, Fonti, and he won't go to America. I think they're not even give him visa or whatever happened. And it reminded me where I tried for go see him, where I say, can you imagine if now we hospital there, therefore we don't make. Now this we president and not they understand. You know, it's not about people. You say go for sick. Not all time they go. Like by Koroma, every year they go Germany for go just do a health check. They fly, they touch a plane, they go there. Time go for rich, you're not going to be able to touch a go there. Now,
but some people go tell you, say, Chijankaba left this country as so we inherit from war state at the brink of takeoff. Imbido prepared the stage for make anybody else we come now. It was going to be an easy ride. So maybe that people the way they think that way of Chijankaba, go now they think say you comments unfair to intend.
You say that everybody know Chijankaba not been get the discipline we need for govern. It's trying best for end the war. I again kudos for that. Nobody no go take away from him. Then everybody getting in right for talk the truth. Chijankaba again extreme 100% for we do everything for end the war. But when it comes into economic policy and leadership, not be failure.
He was busy building state institutions.
Well, that's what I'm going to say. But it no go take you 10, 11 years for build them. One thing about governance, when you come for build state institution, you for also try for check checks and balances, and also hold the people accountable and transparent. So as much as you say you're busy, but you not do enough for make it galvanize and put we country to the status how we forbid. You're doing best for end the war, but that's not enough.
All right, away from Tchijan Kaba, you are vying for the presidency of Sierra Leone. What do you want to do different from what Tchijan Kaba do?
What I want to do different from what Tchijan Kaba and Eskoromado, then one major one for lack and stamp out corruption. Tchijan Kaba been very weak for holding people accountable, and it's by Koroma extremely weak for holding ministers and accountable. So one of the main things that, because corruption, you see, we can talk about this vision, we talk about this. Fonty, the main important thing, not corruption. Because what it meant for 10,000 people, one great minister tika. What it meant for 18,000 people and one great ambassador on tika. What it meant for 50,000 people and one great vice president on tika. Those are the kind of dynamic organ of this country, where you see how the country they drain all the time. So we need for stop corruption. Trust me, we get the money in the country, but what they happen is we politicians in this country then they turn for corrupt and eat within people. And so
Kamarima, we told what you they say so. What make you different from President Ernest Bai Koroma? In 2007, during President Koroma in campaign for become president, he makes similar promise like they make. He's coming to stamp out corruption. In 2012, he repeats similar promises that he's coming to stamp out corruption. And now within in final tenure, the MCC scorecard just come out and Sierra Leone failed the corruption indicator. So what makes you different from President Koroma?
We wanted in the corrupt system. And it's by Koroma have been part of the system. I've been honorable. He's been served under the leadership of the APC back long years ago. He didn't know the system.
Well, he was in opposition by then. Just like Yusuf in opposition right now.
Yes.
So maybe then they make una also the same.
No. He been the part of the system. He been be members of parliament. They know the UK in a parliament. Different. Fonty, you see one thing about when somebody prepare for really, you go see the people who surround you. Right now, we watch even the dynamic of other politicians. Look at the Marabio. Look at the people who are surrounded. Those are people that don't feel this nation. You know, you look at it, I don't need for call name. You look at Yum Kelabakwe run. All the people from Vice President Debbie to all former President Fofana, those are all people who don't feel the system. But when you look somebody around me, those are young people. We no one they in governance. We no one they hold on for until
talking about the fact, say, yes, I definitely go give you chance for talk that. I just want to bring your attention to the fact, say, you mentioned, say, President Koroma was part of the system. We mean, say, be familiar with how governments they run, and be still able to watch the people of Sierra Leone and promise they say in go fight corruption. Now he's leaving power and is scorecard with regards to corruption questionable. So maybe you're looking at it from an outsider part of view. They say elephants aid not to picking load. You know they did. You don't know how for do.
Well, I don't care people enable stamp out corruption because the reason up to now, I can ask myself who's a minister they pull money for Bill 5 Fonty, I don't know. So when I be president, I know what I can now. I can't even know now how then loopholes they are there. So even if, for example, me want do that, APC, SFPP, we don't know the game, been there, done that. Then you can't tell me, say, Kamarimba, who know this wrong role. Now, you also be don't pass. So now make way APC and SFPP go into opposition, then go hold me accountable. Then go hold me transparent. I'm not going to shake anywhere. Because one thing, Fonte, young people away they talk just now where they're around me and folks the women them now people away some are graduates from college and some people in teachers them now people away they into corruption now people away no need 5 O's so say what was not enough for them for me then do their job and I tell you one of the things that what I do as president my appointment are all based on a yearly basis. Every ministerial position, every deputy positions them, every ambassadorial position, every top corporation jobs them now 1 year. I give you 3 sets of goals. Okay. 3 month goals, 6 month goal, and 1 year goal. If you make it 3 months, you go to 6 months. If you make a 6 month goal, you go to 1 year. After the 1 year, all of that finish this. If the evaluation where me and my vice president get for evaluate you. If you not reach to that scorecard we they talk about, they will let you go with another person that can do the job, and then we scrutinize you. You see, we need for hold people accountable. I'm not go get somebody who know nothing but marine and fishery. I go make a minister. Somebody who no get no idea now the medical field. I go make a minister of health. That's one thing about ministerial positions. Now people are where they advise president on policy matters. When it can, because no leader, no president, will know everything. So when they talk about lands and environment, I need to know somebody who will know about that. Where we talk how we go improve this thing. I don't go put somebody job because they clap for me, they sing for me, they wire your side for me, or one.
So there's somebody where they talk about Kamarimba. Are they going to be fresh minds, or are the same old folks who are already familiar with the things that they talk about?
Fresh minds. Let me tell you this. Right now, if you look at the current government, no government ministers know the way merit in position where know what to do. And I call names if you want. And you come to SAPP, the same thing. With them in governance, they put people in just because those are the people like right now. Marabio surround himself with JJ them and Abbas Bundu them. Those are the folks where he be president. Now they go for serving government. So those are the kind of things with me. Now fresh-minded, and I assure you this.
That could be a very big indictment against the current government. People will challenge you with names like the JFK, current Attorney General and Minister of Justice. Well, Samura Kamara, also Minister of Finance. You are tell we say the people here with all the track records, they not merit for all their positions here.
Absolutely not. Absolutely. I tell you one thing.
How can you convince the people with that?
Everybody know. Because the one thing about when they put you inside posse, you know, say no merit. When they put you into position of trust, Fonte, then you violate that trust. Look at my brother, JFK mentioned. Now the ACC boss, they even get APC card. You need to do that. So even the boss, they try for do and certain things.
Criteria for say, for old party card for be an anti-corruption commissioner.
Yes, it's supposed to. One thing, there's certain position here.
Morally or constitutionally?
Morally, ethically, it have to happen.
But
not to everything.
There is no law really where say for be party member for hold anti-corruption office.
We salon constitution as it's very small. If in a guide way, people don't understand whether they talk about laws, constitution. Now, small book number they guide you. Now, with ethics, with discipline, and with integrity, now they incorporate into those things. So, not so for say if the Miscellaneous write everything in that constitution, it will take you 5 years for it.
There's always this argument that we are not running the state based on moral values. We are running the state based on constitutional dictates.
No, that's how they try to tell you.
So whatever the constitution not say wrong, it's not wrong.
No, that's now a problem, Fonte. We major problem in this country. People intend for use, like what they say, a gotcha. Now what they call so, I got you. Where they find way for me to get people them, the moral values them. The ethical, the main important in ethics. Me, I don't be an ACC boss for serve the people of this country, not to political party, not to even the government of the day. Me, na police, you know they serve the government of the day. Now the people and protect and serve. That's the function of the police.
The ACC, he was serving the people of this country.
No, he wasn't. Let come to you.
At the Ministry of Justice and Attorney General's office, he's equally serving the people, but in a different capacity.
Let me tell you one thing. Not only way, all of them are to tell you. No, it starts with there. If you're not ethically right as an ACC boss, why if you say you go ethically right for Minister of Justice and President? I mean, you see, and it's by Koroma. I tell him thank you. As much as when the main critic for Ernest Koroma, but the thank one thing. He allowed them people who don't get a 28 of them, they don't get a boku money. They all want to be president. He said, oh, now go ahead. And them money there, head, polo there, then t-shirt there, but don't they dear us free now. Food, they cook, they go campaign. And it's Koroma do for let them go return back some of them money that we didn't get. And I like him for that. I thank him for that. I wish if I don't do until December, let Christmas money there for don't come. But hold on, like I quickly and lost this thought.
It was deliberate on the side of the president.
Absolutely. And it's Koroma again kudos. It's one thing. I don't you know now. Nobody know they criticize President Koroma reach me. But the thing Ernest Koroma been do so, now the best thing to do. Him we don't know where they get on. In fact, if you check no more, you don't ask for nobody for pay a fee, flag bearer fee. No member no pay. That's a loan for those students. Say, now what I want to gain.
You say maybe not the best thing that's where the presidents do, but maybe somebody else go say no. If the presidents really don't know, say the people here don't fail, the people here not take their camper. He was supposed to have relieved them of their duties instead of saying go back and go spend money. You not go compare the money where anybody don't thief by the money where you go spend in 2-3 months campaign.
Yeah, absolutely. That's another argument that which is good one. But what I try to say is, if 28 people, you mean the current president, and we know say the constitution don't say select or elect. Before you even go do go sit down talk to them well, and you go see. But when they all long come out, now make one time call they all say, I don't even play cook politician them, because honestly, Salon no need play cook. If you watch the way the president be they go with in agenda. All man we don't know. You know, ask nobody for making them pay money. You know, ask nobody for making them do this. So all man go begin getting your argument. But me own thing is I want to kudos. You know, I had for like give President Koroma kudos. But for I want to kudos for where it stretch, then people are made them go spend some money.
How prepared are you for the March 7, 2018 elections?
Well prepared. In fact, I did go continue me to them, and we don't get right now a lot of members of parliament we want contest for people who want contest for members of parliament, councillors, mayors, and me personally for my presidency are well prepared. You know,
so how strong is the human resource base of the ADP?
Fonte, it's extremely strong to a point that even when I come now, Radisson Bluya, a renowned person can meet me and we'll be the talk. Night time is I'm your fan. And
so we're able to put the ADP membership into figures. We're waiting at the membership strength of ADP as we speak.
We're over 20,000 registered members. Far over that.
20,000 registered members.
Yes,
if we convert that into votes, it still not go even make yourself
not a member, they no more they vote. This is a registered member. We get two type of people in front of. We get registered member, we get supporters. In fact, even SAPP, they don't even get reach 30,000 registered member. Even APC, they don't get reach 50,000 registered member. For Lego pay you money take card, now very few people them. But you get people who say me na APC, but they need take card. Now the same to the ADP. We get but people na ADP, they need take card. The card now just a way for make you be.
But the SLPP and APC where you the reference, so the one that we call them traditional parties. So like to some large extent, they already sure say they get their own constituencies, they get their own people, them when they vote for them. So whether they get the membership or not, there's trust say outside the membership, there are supporters. But how could the ADP be sure for say outside people we can pay the money, 5,000, 10,000 for register as ADP members? You still have other people we not members we go vote.
Like give two main example. Na Bombali, we go do a by-election day. That whole constituency they will not even get reach 20 people who register as member, but we get 40% of the vote. We'll not even get 20 people in that constituency. We'll get 40%.
There are allegations that you bought votes. You gave people 10,000 leones to an extent that the APC was concerned. Usai Kamaremba they pull money.
Okay, I come to that. We'll come back to Lonsar. We get about over 5,000 votes, 5,000, and the old Lonsar will get about 100 registered members. So what thing that they tell you is voters are different from members. But people then they say, I wish I were able to buy votes to be president now. No, you know, it's the Sierra Leoneans that my message even to them right now that they can't give you money, eat them. Believe in me, no human being know the way to go take money and vote for somebody based on that money they.
But how come you dish out money to an extent that the APC was concerned? That outside this gentleman they pull money?
Because then now they get the money, now then they print money. Now the APC government they print money, then can get any kind of money they want. And when me they go now them village then they for go campaign with culture. When I can go give like a call and bora pantimini cola.
Okay.
And we go, you give them cola, and because they will cook for them. I'm not going to invite people and wait for you. So nobody go to the farm, they say don't wait for you. And I'm not going to get the opportunity for me to go cook and buy rest. So I can go now, whatever little money I get, I give them, me then go buy food or water for drinking. So now that's how they do, up to now they do. So when I do that, because you don't get opportunity, me now, you don't go invite me, like right now I invite you to my house, I expect for we give some drink or something. So now there's same thing no more they do. But buying vote, the people are way good at it, and when they can come for Kanduam, now the ruling party, because now they get the money right now, and now they tell people and say when they can the money, take and eat them, but use your brain. Do you have me family? This trip, I let somebody can give money, no vote, vote with your money and your future.
Somebody go accuse you, say you are teaching the people of Sierra Leone to be deceptive. Why I need for take Kamarimba money and promise and say they vote for him and why go do something else? You know they fear God?
Because no, not to God. Like for example, APC now with money. All the ministers they are honorable, president, whatever, they can give money out. Now the people have money.
So if now we money then at the end, it means say they take away and deceptively. Yes. So we say for use the same means for take them back now.
Absolutely. If you don't get money from it, like right now, I tiff money in your hand. Then I come back, we can't need you. I can't give back some of that money there. I will take her.
If it's because money, then I rather go report you to police and for use criminal mind for get some back from you.
You're not going to be able to report because the police, now you get the police. I may get the police. Now what I tell the police for do so. No, analogy I'll be the type for tell you there. If I can't take money, the country money where it's supposed to go to the people of Ita, you go police, say, oh, minister don't thief so money, don't go. The police are going to laugh yourself. What are they going to do? So now the police and they into them. What would they say here is, this is not the time where people elect the right people in governance. This is not the time where people for understand say that 10,000, 5,000, 20,000 they can give you, it don't matter. Now it matter in the future. So all I say is the ruling government right now they get plenty of money. Even the main opposition is people they get plenty of money because our former ministers and they say we don't take. So now then they can't give them money there. Well then they can't when I eat the money. When I eat the money. But one thing I want to let people know is March 7th. Now for vote with your heart and your brain. Those are the two things. Use your brain, vote with your heart.
Kamarimba Mansari is a rich man. You are worth some $2 million. Can we say the same for the ADP? Is the ADP financially strong to go into national elections?
I'm not going to say that. ADP are prepared because Kamarimba 80-90%. They sponsor the ADP. This are not make them a secret.
So which means maybe the ADP is not even up to $2 million what?
It's not even worth anything much. I'll tell you the truth because...
How do you expect to win an election in Sierra Leone without a political party having at least $2 million?
No. It's different. Political party having $2 million. Any party will get $2 million, not if you go for that money. I'll show you this. Political party they get money from nowhere.
There's a fact say there are political parties in Sierra Leone that are worth $2 million. Yes.
The only one at APC, the ruling party.
So if the APC is worth $2 million, we go by your arguments. How would you manage to contest with them in an election wherein the populace is very poor, the populace is very illiterate, and money is a factor? Yes.
You see, Salon people people were extremely smart. If na money, na forgive power, very well for them be president today. At the same time, waiting to do so, very well been get all the money at in disposal. Very well been get everything the same way and Eskoroma and the APC they do right now. But when that time reach, then they take very well money, then go vote APC. Now the same thing back then get for Kando. APC get all the money at their disposal. Then they eat APC money, they will go on a street dance, but they will go vote for ADP. So not to the money they win election. Because all that argument, Fonte, if you use money for win election, the way you come, you go forget back the country money, go replace that money the way you use. The presidency not for sale. Government not for sale. So now you know problem I say you need plenty of money. No, you need the trust of the people. You need the faith of the people, and with God guidance, make you can govern them. So what you may get is not about money. I make you more money. I know I'm based on money. So I don't say, oh yeah, we'll get 10 million. We'll get no. What do we get? Now the people that we get. We own resources. Now the people that not.
If Sierra Leoneans are this smart as you they argue, if Sierra Leoneans are not going to use money as a factor for decide March 7, 2018, I bet you know for the city youth there they chook themselves on the street for the political parties. You know for this certain people they were party close they dance on the streets. For all you know, it's their survival.
Now that's I say. You don't understand that they do it now, but when that time reach for the ballot, where they go vote on a different thing. You see, Fonte, when somebody they survive, he wants something for it. You go gear, hungry. This belly way empty. The brain of the think. Where you go, they will give you rest. Then go give you money. They send in a street. It's a good one. But me believe every day they pray. This country, and me get love for this country. I get determination and I get ambition for make this country and serve the people of this country. God go church every fellow Sierra Leonean in heart from now to March. And no matter how much money anybody give them, we don't go no say, lo we try Mohamed Kamarimba Masari, when are the most clean politician, when are the person that we come for transform this country, we can give work with tomorrow, you know, go for big politician, 10,000 loans. Those are the kind of things we account for implementing.
You have declared your personal assets publicly. We not even deny the law, but you base them on the facts of morality and you want for set a precedence. Have you gone by the law of the PPRC for declare the assets and finances of the ADP ahead of the elections?
Yes. In fact, ADP, we do them yearly. According to PPRC, we get external auditor. We audit the party every year. That's a law. So, but me now not to law, what declare. So, if the party now law, we will run that party day, we want to be president, we for make open. So, I make me been declare, me I said not just for moral, but also for make we can try for stamp this corruption what they talk about. Because like if we talk say Ernest Koroma been say promise, but Ernest Koroma not declare in assets openly that time. And me now, I declare that don't show say not to watch the normal media talk. Now it's action, not to even that funny. And I promise say you go there, that 10 day back. I get for travel, hopefully December. I go car with me tax return, my income. For the past 3 to 5 years, all the money will be the work before I join to politics. I can show openly. So not only me assets, but I want to show people who sabi they get me money. So that 10 day, people then go able to show example. All the one they want to be president, then say go for can show them money. Say before I join politics, 3 to 5 years now this will be the do. So if we do that, so everybody now in future go able to emulate the thing. So I get for can do. I'm very
for the campaign on a platform of transparency. But ironically, with the Yeri grumbles from members of your party, executive members of your party, that Mohamed Kamarimba is not a transparent man, he's not an accountable man. Like, we don't even know what they do with the party money.
Party don't get money. I wish, like I tell you, 90% of the party in my pocket funty. You see, they say this is on national television, this one. The people who they give the money, they watch her. If then they give the money. So if I say anything lie, then we'll go say, not so true. You see, Fonte, if party them they get money, then PLP, RUF, all them party, if I don't they get them, even by elections, for contest they're very difficult. Because income no the money no go no side. Now you go forget heart because you see political party, they make them because it in our constitution. Chapter 35 of Salon Constitution. Why are political parties created? Now for two main reasons. One, for lay shape the political will of the people. Two, now for lay sponsor candidate that will run for elections. That's not the only two reasons in our constitution. So now vehicle. One now for shape the will. Some people in our way they can't join party. Not to them political will they want for shape. Now them economic will. What's it for them in their pocket? So when some people in come, where they don't join this party, maybe big party can then buy them, then give them money, so that they come for can stabilize the party, then weaken them, they give all the false accusations them. Say because one thing about me, anybody will give money. Fonty, if you go on my Facebook, I can tag you at times. Every month, go check out. The 10th of every month, I list every money, the state how much money give. For the past 4 years, go check out. And then back on our website, they put everything. The reason why they do this, when I be president back, now the same way I go for make this country, we get this country money every month. I tell people and say, now this country money will get to. Now so with the spender. Now that, but tells me, APC, SFPP, no one they do in this country.
With all of this, Kamarimba, the ADP, Mohamed Kamarimba is heading into a national election. But I bet you go to the streets of Freetown right now, you go to the streets of Sierra Leone, you mention ADP, they go tell you say na Kamarimba in party. When is the ADP going to rise above the name Kamarimba and we begin for your other names? Like if you mention APC now, they go tell you Koroma, Ambassador Yansane, the list is endless. You mention SLPP, they will tell you Madabiu, Prince Hardin, JJ Safar, Lima, the list is endless. So when ADP get for come out under that Kamarimba close and we begin hearing other names.
That's a good question. When we be in governance, March 2018 we win. Right away they come out. Where SLPP been formed? Now be Sheikh Stephen close them you work. Every new party. Where SLPP been formed? Now the Magai. In fact, ask old people them. SLPP, they call them the Magai, the party. Now the Magai is and they know. APC and Sheikh Stevens, up to now, them values them all based on Sheikh Stevens. And Sobe, Nabintemu Bangura, you know, all this kind of thing, not so political party, but the reason why then they fade, We don't do in governance. They don't get vice president. They don't get ministers. They don't get ambassadors. So the Kamarimba, they begin fade.
But there is still the tendency, because if over 4 years since the ADP, without the ADP now, it's still about Kamarimba, there is equally the possibility that maybe, well, within your first time in office, if you become president, it is still going to be about Mr. Kamarimba.
Absolutely.
And we witness a situation where we go still a witness waiting to happen right now, where whatever happened, people will go and protest directly to State House instead of going to the appropriate ministries.
It's a whole different thing, Fonte. The reason I tell you is when you're in governance, you party the fade. You go for big Kamarimba the next 20 years, 30 years, if we're not in governance. But as soon as we're in governance, they fade. I tell you this, you could tell me back. APC happened like that because it takes years. The first 10 years of APC is all about Shekhar Stevens. The first 20 years of APC is all about Shekhar Stevens. The first 10 years of SLPP is all about the Magais. Those are the kind of things I will try to tell you. You're not going to change. You only change when they don't in governance. You don't left now, other people and they come back. But it takes one leader at a time for middle strength. Even the Democrats and the Republican Party in America, and the same thing. Now founding members and start them, with them push them out. So, and one person there in Nimki always there. So, if you look into this question, Kamarimba 100%, because now in the know for now. But when I become president, God willing, come March 2018, you go see how much the umbrella. In fact, one thing was right now where the people that don't begin about the pink color and the umbrella. So they can they go to village and say no more ADP. They go pull the umbrella. People that hold the umbrella, they all they run the camp. So they don't even they show the sign, and I can tell them say the sandworm, the palm tree they leak because the palm tree don't leak now. We get SLPP 1, SLPP 2. Now Kamarimba don't call the umbrella for cover. We all. I think
but that pink color they remain very controversial, especially in the social media. They say pink na color for gay. Waiting at your association, why you choose pink?
You see, people don't understand. I wait and they don't know. You know, so the color for gay. And I hate to say this, but I think in party way the rainbow, ask anybody, go Google them. Just say some more gay color.
How do you know that? Are you one of them? Because there is even an allegation that you are gay.
I finish with this. I'll tell you about the allegation. The rainbow, in fact, they get pink in America where they say real men wear pink. Pink na breast cancer for women. Pink na women color. Na empowerment of women. And also it give awareness because it bright, it show people. Now that's pink they first. But if some people they say me na gay, I laugh because that show say I'm not there around, they mess around with girls like other politicians that they do. And I'll be done telling say, if you really know say, I mean I gay, just give me your wife and or your girlfriend. Now money you ask them if Kamarimba na gay.
Are you married?
Yes, and I get for picking them.
Who is your wife?
My wife they're in America now. And like I said, I'm a Muslim. In fact, Sheikh Kali once in kind of interview, he tell me say I married other woman again in this country. So I'm a Muslim. So
3-4 years in Sierra Leone, when you mention opposition, it was Kamarimba, ADP. But 1 month ago, it seemed like you are losing that status. Now with the reading name NGC, Mohamed Kande Kole Yumkela. What is going on?
You know, we get parable like Creole and say new broom they sweep clean. So when new broom can make noise. And that noise they get into this November dawn. Right now some Sumana come back with C4C, it will can do the same. That's how it is. They go for make this noise. And one thing we don't do as Alliance Democratic Party, not to just noise we can make. We don't contest, we battle tested. Now 15 by election. No other party go tell we say they don't contest past 2 years. 15 by election, no. So if NGC won, they don't contest for 1 election, don't know say they're really serious. You know, now one thing, we lost the outside and no say them Ben. Before you vote, Fonte, they say 6 months to election, nobody know for register again for vote. They get a cutoff. But when you come to political party, when are the name norms, then they give party even the month for go election. It's wrong. You know, when they say democracy, they forget cutoff. Let's say 6 months to election, 8 months to election, but we kind of for PPRC Act, Parliament for really scrutinize them, they forget to stop with political party that they form. The reason is, you know, come few months to election, you can't fool people them, you lie on them, they don't even know what your vision. You say, if you're really serious for lead people them, you want form party. If you don't do a minimum 2-3 years before you can.
The fact say we release NGC name now, we release Yumkela name, and we see himself gets a own following. Somebody go to question now the ADP. saying that we be expect, say, outside the SLPP, outside the APC, the other people them will not be loyal to their parties here, now they're not coming back in following. But now it will seem that there is a constituency where you not be targets, and the NGC seem for able to penetrate that constituency there. Is that the case?
No, really. The NGC, the people away they see, they follow NGC. Watch them. Those are disgruntled, disappointed SLPP. Watch, go look the biography. When me come, open them, will not get like a stronghold of this. They win a national stronghold. If you watch no more, almost everybody is defect from the SLPP. NATO, there's now people away, maybe they're not like within the current system.
Well, maybe the NGC get big defections from the SLPP, and you are also from the APC. So maybe you'll not be record big defections from the APC, but you get the quiet minority, or say the quiet grassroots people of the APC, where follow you come ADP. So
now that's how they try to say you waiting
like NGC, like ADP.
NGC na SLPP too. Me not even mention NGC. The reason being is, watch the composition. And I respect you, Kelana, my brother. I really respect him. But now one thing where me not they go with, you word. You see, Yum Kela, I remember we've been there na one radio station, Fonte. 91 caller, 98.1. 91 caller asks for a number. Me give me number 078-747-042. I repeat, I say 078-747-042. Yum Kela say, in your number na SLPP. In blood na SLPP. You see, Motama, you word. Even the Quran and the Bible, now words than it, not to nothing. If you're not leader, few months, you know, you are lucky you know one doer. Just because you word say, you don't go publicly say, me na this, stay with the cause. Because of that, you integrity. You see, now two things. Integrity and character. What thing we lack in this country, na integrity. Where before you right now with character at the display to you. As I don't turn me back go, what thing people and left talk bear you, na integrity. So what thing you can been lack na that integrity there. If you don't stay, honestly, this I tell you because I'm very truthful. If you can been stay na the SLPP. He win, he no win. No justice if in a matter be and get one ticket. Mm-hmm. Believe in me, this election for been tough for me and the APC. But because of indecide, and right now what they do right now, it's just like Charles Magai. What Charles Magai they go, it cut from the SLPP. But me different because when me come, me just be the preach national approach. So I get SLPP, I get APC, I get non-people who can join me. I no can cut na the APC because na national approach I can't wait. I know one day serve the APC. I know one day get membership card na the APC. I know one day be government officer or anything at the APC. So those are the kind of mentality. The only person able to take them junk then they now possibly don't serve 1, 2 years, 3 years for say at the one, they don't get supporter inside the party, then but me not get, in fact I know one day get a card, so me not be able to draw that, and I'm not being wished for do that. What in me wants the progressive APC people, the progressive SLPP, the progressive any other party with people in this country, now that one day they can't join me, Lord will make this country. Because this country they going to
outside the SLPP and the APC, talking about 2018 election, it will seem that the new norm na coalition alliances. We see the PDP, PLP, RUFP coming together, forming a coalition. Quite recently, we Richard Magai, they say, instead they try for Unite NGC, C4C, PMDC, with other political parties to form a coalition. Where will you fit in those coalitions?
Look at the composition of this coalition. Those are disgruntled and failed politicians. Not them party then they. Why I go join a coalition when a composition of people already don't fail na APC, SLPP? When maybe don't say I want change.
So you're not going to join any coalition?
Absolutely no. Are they encourage the yes for come join me? But me, you see, people don't understand why they talk. I will talk in a very soft way. People know. Mohamed Kamarimba Masare not they join any coalition. The Alliance Democratic Party not they join any coalition. Yes, we want alliance. Without one can join with the open hand we embrace. I think you understand. One thing about joining, they already set the agenda for you. Then coalitions they're not good for the country most of the time. The reason being, then go don't say, okay, this party I get 5 ministers. This party I get 6 ministers. This party, they go don't form government done before they even go to the poll. And when you don't come out to power, you don't get people around you where it's like, I don't sell, like when I say, one can run country as business. Coalition of can run the country as business. Because you don't already give, one can give power. And when me, example now, me don't vow in this country. Fonty. Education from primary, secondary, university, we're unable to afford and are free. I mean, totally free, they need to pay. And healthcare, we're unable to pay. No doctor, no nurse, no go actually for money. I don't say that. But coalition just now, the people and ministers, they will say by force or forget. And they say, in fact, now we make you what I want to be so. You've not been there. So now it make, I want done this one, they'll finish. Now it make, I tell people that we are open for take people in, but me as a party, not the join.
That's exactly where I want for take you on. Now, you don't describe the people here where they form their coalitions here so as disgruntled, failed, and where the other APC, somebody they call them as recycled politicians. You just don't are desperate politicians. You said you're not going to join them, but you will not mind for them to join you. Now, the kind of people that this way the ADP they look for attract disgruntled, failed, recycled politicians.
We attract every Australian, but we can't. You know the agenda where ADP get. We get ideology. Me get me vision. We can join you didn't meet an agenda set and ideology. If you fit in them, you want work out time, you work. But if you go join, you go don't meet an agenda already. You see, now different people
and failed people can pollute whatever agenda you're talking about. If you encourage them, now you party.
No. It's not possible because like I don't say, if me they make any appointment, now 1 year. You get 3 months, 6 months, 1 year goal. So if you can no say one thing about me, I don't tell you this Fonty. I worship Sierra Leone. No human being. Even right now, so people they say, oh, this man they help you, or they give something $100 every month. Why you want to push away? Me principles. Fonty, me principles. I not go ever try for deal with people just because I want to lift myself up. And then after that, I say, no, because now you help me now. I'm very disciplined. And there's one time I go to Germany. I want to tell you one scenario quick. Now, Monique, we go, me chairman and the executive na ADP executive na Germany. I think they not buy rumba for serve people. So the child they go say, hey, the people no one come, the one come, the young man and say they come because rum no day. Now they say because leader say they not for buy rum, usa in day. Okay. Because this is just me. I will never ever buy rum for anybody to die. All right. If you not be like win election, I don't win. But I know that. But I tell them say no. If you not buy rum, I do to no one do. Me no send you not to me money, but me just say me no they buy rum for person. The reason being is most of the time they're drugs, then they're alcohol. Now they use for young people and for unbug them. So I want to we bring that kind of discipline there. Me they do. I'm extremely disciplined, and by God in power, when I be president, this country we don't lack some discipline. We don't lack transparency. I go bring and come.
Mohamed Kamagimba, you declare your assets quite recently. Congratulations for changing the political narrative in Sierra Leone. But why you go include host them now America? We not so you host by your asset declaration as people they claim.
People in the claim all kind of way. The truth that the matter, I don't get no reason for declare host way not to me own. I mean it's shameful self, it's sickening. Fonty me also can buy na salon cash. I no bill am. The other host na bill. And America, we they buy hosts, like the hosts they buy 1998, 2000, 2002. They host them 50 years ago. You know they buy them up front. You go, you put 20-30% down, bank give you money, they go to pay small for 10 years, they take the host. So to me, not to the host they're more proud of. Now the host way I buy your cash. Because na me own sweat now I use. So if somebody they come, I don't get no reason. I don't even get reason for tell somebody say I get one host in America. The good thing is, even 2 of the hosts in Sierra Leone
you get reason for say you get houses in America for raise your profile.
No, it don't. In fact, it drop profile down. One lady where they work now, UN radio now. He say, me na you big admirer. He say, but from the time we announced, he said me at spoil for you. He said, I wish you not for been doing. I said, no. One thing which I do, I mean, they preach the politics of truth, Fonty, and I don't want to be the money person. I want to be the people's choice. So I just do this for last show transparency. And I'm not stop. I don't tell you, say, by God in power, early next month or early January, I can get a press release again. Not to only the host again. Now the money will be they make every year, and they can show the people. Because, Fonty, hey, one thing about the host. The Salon man were against one of me hosts, in Maryland. Doe Johnson. Now, Little John will be play football in brother. I don't give the numbers out to the press. They pay $1,600 every month, which is about 13 million every month. Every month, they put on my account. And when a man paid that money there, from 2013, when I rented that money, that was the up to now, every month they pay. And for one raise the money up, but say no. That's Salomon. And the reason why they do this, I want to help Sierra Leone. And let me tell you one thing back. I just want to give you a small example of how much I care about Sierra Leonean. The man where they fix them host then they like if right now so where the air condition be unbugged this summer. I go pay $6,000 now repair that host there. The man where they fix their name Issa Kama, himself again Osef way former minister of waiting me rent host now. And now them even one Fofana, one APC man one Fofana, the roof, one of the hosts them need roof. Now I pay back $3,800, may go change the roof for me. So me one thing for me, as Sierra Leoneans in America, now they do work for me. So if you want to get question with me, I don't give a go and ask them all. And then go tell you.
If you want to be transparent, you should be completely transparent. So how you go tell people for say you get 5 houses in America, give street addresses and you know give houses numbers. So how do you expect people to know that now this Oscar Marimba they talk about and it's easy for check in America? If you give house numbers publicly right now, we can check.
I'll tell you one thing why. We get tenancy agreement when they rent hostel for safety. And people can go beyond for go try for damage things. They're not to check out. You have no idea. Me na myself, me mutka they don't analyze them. Start me host na look me office they don't burn na Rolling Street. The office na put lock and set on fire. So yeah, so tell you go work on about America. There's tendency we get agreement. They say when this person against this thing, no put on public see renter. There's a lot of things them, I tell you. We get an agreement and the laws then they. So before I go begin put, we start to ask the tenant first. Like the two of them back, they ask the tenant and they say, okay, go ahead. The other man talk and I say, no, I don't want to be part of this. And the person who I give secretly safe, and the son and by God in power, we'll go America, the work out, I will go like saying I'm a friend, we'll go do the interview. So at the day by God in power, the first week in December. So anybody will get question, my number I will put them out, the America 202-528-0274. I will put on Facebook, call me. Then we make an appointment. Then we go. I will show each one of the
2018 elections. Do you envisage a runoff?
Absolutely.
And it's going to be between who and
who? Kamarimba and another political party.
What if it happens, say, Kamarimba is not going to be part of the runoff? What is going to be your option?
Fonte is absolutely regret at the runoff.
No, in an instance.
There is no instant in it. 100% by God in power.
Kamarimba, you are going into an election with two traditional political parties.
One of them is going to be down. I don't know which one, but 100%. One thing, Fonte.
You cannot be 100% sure that it's going to be the ADP and one of these political parties.
I'm 100% sure because if I'm not 100% sure, like I don't stop down. Fonte, the people of this.
Is it likely that you are dodging to answer the question of who will you throw your weight behind in an instance where the APC and SLPP, for example, go into a runoff?
The reason why they think that 100% knows they go runoff. I'll come to that question. Well, I'll tell you one thing, Fonte. The people of this country, I don't work at the length and breadth of this country. I know the way the people want 6 change. I know the pain. I know the young man who don't get work. I know what I want to get for bringing out this country. And the people of this country I get for vote. I know that. The majority way silent when they talk. When they no say, they don't know what me don't do. They don't know the sacrifice. Where an opposition, I don't talk say it cold. The opposition cold to the point that you go for spend your money for making you able to advocate for the people. But people don't want to do them. You they risk your life, you spend your money. Now two bad things in that. But me don't do that in that risk my life, I spend my money. And so why they do that, people don't know how they do that. And look, just say worst case scenario, and I'll answer your question. Kamarimba can close door. Look at APC or SLPP. And I assure you say the next campaign for the next election, 2023, starts that day when they announce the election.
In what way?
That means the next presidential election, I go ask me supporter made them vote to their heart, whether they want to vote for, but Kamarimba is moving forward, and come 2023, will they continue campaign?
Maybe final question. People, they accuse you, say you betrayed their trust. When you become now this country, you become under patriotic Sierra Leone. You were a community mobilizer. You be they help people them. You be they give people their money for do business. And you change codes. After you don't get the support of the people here, so you say, well, it's high time for make the people here vote me. That was the intention, even before you come. So why you be go start with patriotic Sierra Leone?
Fonte, I think, I don't like politics. I'm not a politician. Because I love this country, I formed that organization. In fact, the people enforce me, that they ask me for my run for president. Fronti, I don't want to do what I do. So I make us so sincere, as so blunt, and as so brave, and I will do everything, my blood, every bit of blood I will ready for drop out, make Salone better. Because I'm not kind to politics for what I eat. I kind to like the talks. I call petition. I give money them out for help communities them. But now they tell me say if you don't do this out of your pocket, out of your sweat, if you be president now, what you could
even when presidents do they say people like it be good, but when they enter politics, especially in Sierra Leone, they become demons.
There are them people and they where if you watch the record, they take politics as their source of income.
Okay.
For until I tell you now 4 years, this 5 years, what I'm kind of this country. I know they get paid from nobody. The main resources that they use every day for Labi today. So those people and they do for them change. I don't get no reason. I don't need to go buy host in America again or be president. I don't need host Naya again. I don't buy. I don't need Mutska. I get 6 months card every pack. And it's a I'm a Homer and I don't have Volkswagen Mutska and Range Rover in this country. I don't need that. What I need right now, even host, you see people and just greedy will lead at them. Fonte. Now wicked and wicked. You build big host, 20 rooms. Now one great room in a day. That one great room na bed. That bed in a little don't. Those are little so na grave. All the other stuff is nothing. Right. Why we politicians enough for they think may they stop for be greedy like this? We problem is we leaders them we not believe in God. We then greedy and selfish. Now me could get people away the turn. Believe in me, I don't get no reason where I go turn. Even this free lunch was I give picking them from school. Me president, if I bread and butter them picking they eat in school. Once a month at a pick random school. This will record I save them. When I be president, that bread and butter they go eat at one school every month till me 5 year first time done.
Will you support the person that is going to win the 2018 election if it is not Kamarimba?
If it's free and fair, yes, I'd 100% support whoever win this election.
Thank you very much, Kamarimba, for joining us on the hot seat.
God bless you.
That's now the leader and chairman and presidential nominee of the Alliance Democratic Party. One party them where they contest the 2018 presidential election na Sierra Leone. Now him will be get na the hot seat tonight. Abdul Fonsi, Namine.